Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 7 Sutton Point in Pittsford.
This home features spectacular English country architecture with stunning contemporary accents.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with a charming front porch entry to this impressive 2-story vaulted ceiling foyer with side lights, beautiful hardwood floors, and French doors to the convenient executive office with crown molding and pocket doors to the formal living room with great natural light and excellent craftsmanship in the crown molding.
This home is perfect for entertaining and features phenomenal open living. With a spacious kitchen with gorgeous cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, an island, and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to the dining area with deck access and French doors to the formal dining room with crown molding and wainscoting. Plus the hallmark of this home, a vaulted ceiling family room with a wet bar and a stone fireplace accent wall, complemented with a wall of windows. Imagine the fun get-togethers, all with convenient first-floor laundry and a full bathroom.
The spectacular contemporary architecture is showcased on the second floor with an overlook of the great room, plus an exceptional design with 2 separate bedroom wings, including the spectacular cathedral ceiling owner's suite with a walk-in closet and a spacious spa bathroom to pamper yourself. Plus 3 additional sizable bedrooms and bathroom with a double vanity.
The abundance of space continues in the finished lower level with a gaming room, media room, and expansive bonus room for all your activities, plus great storage.
The architecture of this English country home is just beautiful, and the quality craftsmanship is evident in the details.
Enjoy the soothing sounds of nature from this expansive 2-tiered deck, overlooking the tree-lined backyard, complemented with beautiful landscaping.
Nearby this property is the Pittsford Y, schools, shops, and restaurants with the village of Pittsford and the Erie Canal. Here we are in Showing Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7 Sutton Point in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!